Hey people, this is my first episode of my modded survival, and yeah, hold on. I know. Who installs 36 goddamn motherfucking mods? Well, to tell you the truth, somehow I installed more than that. One time I had over 100. And like, 90% of it was Pam's Harvest Craft. So I guess it would be considered like 37. Yeah, okay, let's continue. Ignore any background noise. And yeah, let's get this started. What option? Oh no. I want to choose spam, 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 spam. Locate the screen and okay. Done. World modded survival. I can't spell. Survive. I'm gonna guess like survive all. There, I'm gonna guess like that. Create the world, converting world. I can't speak, can't I? Oh well. Wait, can't I? It sounded like hentai. Don't watch that. And yeah. So it is, yeah, again, this is my first episode, and let's go kick some ass. Get the diamonds and shove it so far up their ass. Hold on. Okay. Start new conquest thingy. Press V to locate villages. Okay, let's wait 1 to 2 minutes. Smart moving mod set to medium. Yeah. Poor mountain. It just got demolished. These trees must go away. Fusroda. Hey, look, it did something. Look, see, it's gone. So Fusroda is real. Those haters gonna hate. Can't hate anymore. Look at the little bunny. Choose your pet's name. Okay, the bunnies will be called Berry. Come on, Berry. Oh, you look so cute. I sound like a little bitch. Oh, I got a little bunny friend. I got a little bunny friend. I got a fucking bunny friend. This is awesome. Bunny friend. Yeah, okay. This is what the fuck is that? Can feel 1.5. Okay, whatever. Look at all this shit. Like, damn, Minecraft has come to a lot. And look at that shit that's right there. Look at your computer, at the advanced computer. And yeah, crafty melee turtles and shit. Wireless. Wow, that's cool. Wow, and there's lots of stuff, isn't there? Mount armor, that's cool. Whips, stuff. Kitties. Portal guns. Nether scorpion plate. Ooh, that sounds freaking boss. A rat burger, ew, that's nasty as shit. Huh. This is actually pretty cool. All this shit, wow. Ooh, look, a grappling hook. Okay. Come on, bunny friend, let's go. How do you crouch? You know how to look at the little puppy. Hold on. F5. Please don't get hurt. Please don't. Yeah. Whew, because I've learned my mistakes from before. These jackasses cannot go through 2 doors. There has to be extra doors. They are dying. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the black and white pony. Oops, wrong way. And then I get this gravel. Oh well. It's gonna take a long time for the path to kingship crap. Ah, okay. No, bunny, no. Bad boy, no. Like, I think I get F5 right now. I'm not going to spawn these, obviously, because I'm doing this like a fucking boss. I'm doing it legitimately. I know how to make the Twilight Forest, and we will have a house. Well, I will have a house, because you guys aren't playing. But yeah, we will have a house. We'll make the planes fly around, hopefully be good at it. Get all this cool stuff, which I will actually have to look up to make, because it doesn't have it. Get a fucking Golden Desert Eagle and shit. Yeah. Sign up contract. Exit. No, Bunny. Bad Bunny. Bunny. Barry, no. Bad Barry. Let's go, Barry. Okay. Let's go start a Widow Adventure, Barry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Your quest is started. Let's go look for those people. Barry. Barry. Bad Barry. Barry. Barry, no. Barry. Good boy. Well, girl. Well. Bisexual. Let's go with that. The fuck? Oh god, the fucking polar bear! No, Barry. Barry. No. Fucking. No. No, 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 no. Jackasses, come and help! Oh, jackass. This one got barely. Oh, fuck, he big. He wants to rape me. No, I don't want your polar bear crap cock. Yeah. Yeah. FNF5. FNF5. Go, 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 go. Look all these little bunnies. Oh, they look so cute and the puppies. So now we learned that there's a shit ton of more dangers than we thought. Well, I thought at least. And Barry must live. He must live. And if Barry dies, it'll be the end of this series. No, not really. I'll continue on with another Barry. Do other Barry stuff that Barry used to love to do. Well, he's still alive, so I can't really say that. The fuck is going on? Why am I walking around? There's a bunch of wood right here. Okay. Do I really take you off my head to do so? How do I use the tree incapacitator? Incapacitator. Wow, this is very bad already. I'm already about to die. You know what? This never happened. What happened? Oh, hey, look, I managed to get all my health and hunger back. Oh boy, I wonder who did that. Got my wood. Wood. Yeah. Okay, got all of this. I'm so tempted to take G3 and this P90 and the M21, Dragonov, whatever, and the M4A1 with 100th shotgun. Well, I think that's the M4. No, that's a DP. That's a crossbow. And shit. RPG, M60, saw. We're gonna be making all these fucking weapons, man. We're gonna be like pimps walking down the street, like, sup, bitch, and boom. Okay, I just want to try out these Nerf guns. That's funny. actual Nerf gun. We'll make that too. Okay. Stupid zoom thing. Oh my goodness, every single thing is corrupted. L. More creatures dismount. Dismount will be G. No, Y. F9 G Y. This will be 6. Okay, looks like that's what 6 is. 6 is this. Water mobs. That's cool. That's cool. It's a fucking turkey! I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill. Give me your meats. Give me your fucking meat. Give me. It's too laggy. I need to change. Oh. Smooth. Where is the normal? Just regular normal. Like the fuck. Do I have like a like this max FPS? Come on, jackass. Come on, jackass. Come on, jackass. Hey, jackass. Dirty fucking ass over here, bitch. Fucking horse. Oh shit, he pissed. I pissed off a horse. What you gonna do about it, bitch, huh? No, I'm gonna hit your other horse friends. And they were mostly gonna kick. Oh shit. What the hell? Whatever I got, it's gonna be. What should I name it? Lee. Yeah, Lee's. The bird's gonna be called Lee's. Oh, can't you put birds on your heads? I think you. Fuck yeah! Wow, this is totally better than the berry when berries are very cute. Yeah, bird friend. You're a fucking boss. America! Fuck yeah! Well, this is the end for now. I'll do some more modded survival crap. Oh my god, the fucking polar bear again! He wants revenge. Oh god. And yeah, I'll do the rest of the, I'll do more later. And yeah. No. Oh shit, the horse and the, oh god, this is bad. Okay, bye people. Bye, look at the fucking bee! Don't sting me, jackass. Okay, bye.